Hello everyone, this is Aranka and here is my easy green sprouter. I'm gonna get closer a little bit because right now it's on and perhaps you can hear how quiet it is. And right now it's on, and here's the water tank. Right, and here are the Luscious greens. So right now I have green kale is the black stuff. Here's the little palm tree. This is the cress, watercress. Sorry for the quality. And then I have buckwheat. And then right beside it I have sunflower greens. And then way at the end I have daikon radish. And I'm going to show you. Yes, I gave this machine to my friend to safekeep it for me because it was too big. But let me show you how little space it requires. Look, there's a little bucket. That's where the clean water, or not so clean water, is being collected. This is a spray bottle with kelp fertilizer, which I use only once per growing cycle. And what you see is 2 boxes that I keep some accessories for yoga, and here I'm going away from it, and you can see this is our change room in my yoga studio. So here are some clothing of the girls. This is the girls' room, and I'm just gonna go and show you that here is the shower. So it's in a nice humid environment, absolutely no sunlight. Here is the fluorescent light, and let me show you. Here is the happy light turned on, and I actually can aim it right to the plants. And I have a little funnel, and you fill it up right here, right there, and you open it up, and I put the funnel there, and I have a water filter here on the sink, so cold water, filtered cold water with a little, sorry about this movements here, there's a little pitcher. And yes, so put up right now. And this is where I also clean, so there it is. You can see it, very, very simple setup. And I get sprouts, a tray of sprouts almost every day or every second day. Since I'm the only one eating it probably. My husband eats a little bit of it. Alright, talk to you later. Bye-bye.